By the shimmering coast where the waves whispered against the shore, lived Iqbal, a fisherman known for his calm spirit and simple way of life. Every dawn, before the sun had stretched its first rays across the sky, Iqbal would cast out his net into the vast sea. He didn't seek to catch a great haul, just enough fish to feed his family and maybe share a little with his neighbors. Iqbal's small hut stood on the edge of the village, made of weathered wood and palm leaves. Inside, laughter and warmth filled the air. His children played happily in the sand, and his wife prepared meals with fresh fish from the morning's catch. In the afternoons, Iqbal would sit on the shore, watching the endless dance of waves and feeling the gentle sea breeze on his face. One afternoon, a well-dressed stranger approached. He was a philosopher, a man who had traveled far and wide, gathering wisdom from cities and mountains, libraries and marketplaces. His clothes were neat, his manner refined, but his eyes held a curious sparkle as he observed Iqbal. "You are a skilled fisherman," the philosopher said, nodding towards the small net Iqbal was hauling in. "But why do you catch only enough fish? Why don't you catch more? Sell them in the city, save up, buy a bigger boat, and expand your business." Iqbal looked at the philosopher and raised an eyebrow, a small smile playing on his lips. "Then what would I do?" "Then," said the philosopher, "you will make more money. With that, you can retire early." Iqbal leaned back on his heels. "And what would I do when I retire?" "Anything you want," the philosopher replied enthusiastically. "You could relax, spend more time with your family, watch the sea without worries." Iqbal laughed softly. "But I already do that every day." Philosopher's eyes narrowed thoughtfully. He had read many books on success and ambition, traveled the world to learn about wealth and happiness. Yet here was a simple man who seemed to have already found what many spend a lifetime chasing. He looked out at the sea, its waves steady and endless, and realized that true contentment wasn't about accumulating wealth or possessions. Sometimes it was simply found in appreciating what you already have: the laughter of children, the warmth of family, and the peace of a life lived in harmony with nature. Iqbal smiled again, quietly grateful for his simple life, while the philosopher walked away, pondering the lesson he had just learned by the sea.